Hi guys, in front of me is INFINIX Zero 30, and let me show you how to check for software updates. At first, open the settings and enter System. Here click on System Update, and here you can notice the current version of your Android, and you can either get local update or online update. Mark it, and as you can see, system is up to date. It has been just checked. If you would like to redo it, just click on Check for Update. Now you can be sure that there is no latest version to download. However, if there is one, you will be able to get it just by tapping on this blue icon. It will just have another information, which is Update Device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.